Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Today's OJIBWE word of the day. I was thinking about being a young man with an aching heart. Have you ever liked someone so bad it actually hurt? And especially because they didn't like you back. I don't know what the Ojibwe word for unrequited love is. You know, the English have a word for that, and it's a good word, unrequited love. But in Anishinaabe in the Indian language, in Ojibwe, we would say, Dewizi in day. Dewizi in day. Aching is my heart. Dewizi in day. Having an aching heart. It's like when your heart is bigushka, broken. And so, young men, there's just no escaping it sometimes. As you grow up, you're gonna lock eyes with somebody someday. Because you're young, you'll meet a stranger some night. And and you'll just ache for her. Maybe you've already experienced this. And so this is a song about Dewizi in day, an aching heart. This is a song by it's by Joe Jackson, and Michael Lyons and Natasha are gonna sing it. And it's Is She Really Going Out with Him? Take it away. Pretty women out walking with gorillas down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there, where? There is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Round here. Something's going wrong around here. Tonight's a night when I go to all the parties down my street. I wash my hair and I kid myself, I look real smooth. Look over there, where? There is Jeannie with her new boyfriend. They say that looks don't count for much, well, so there goes your proof. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Round here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. But if looks could kill, there's a man there who's marked down as dead, 'cause I've had my fill. Listen you, take your hands from her head. I get so mean around the scene. Hey, hey, hey. Did I forget a verse? Yeah, I think I did.
I think we forgot the outro.
Anyway, you've been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again. GOFUNDME, Minowa, Hoa.
Hoa! Is she really going? And give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. You know the drill. All right.